The snow that's still on side streets is a real headache for people. KDKA crews have been checking out some of the spots that have not seen a plow. Jennifer Barrasso has been out in the mobile weather lab all day and joins us tonight from Morningside. Jen, what are you seeing there?
Wow, a lot, Ken. We're pulling onto Jancy Street. I'm going to turn the camera to show you what residents here are dealing with. One saying that this is an absolute disgrace. This is disappointing. You can actually feel our vehicle bump around. These streets have not been touched. We've gone down several of them. People slipping, sliding. We saw one Jeep, a four-wheel drive, had to rock back and forth just to get out. And you can see, imagine living here. You're thinking, okay, I got to get to work tomorrow. How am I going to dig out? I was told there are a lot of older people that live around here. People are concerned, and they tell me they want help.
An iceberg. Look at this iceberg. This is what brought down the Titanic. We're all digging out. It's, you know, the road conditions are bad as expected. I mean, it was a unprecedented historic storm.
That massive storm dumped about a foot of snow on Pittsburgh. Mayor Corey O'Connor declared a state of emergency after dozens of snowplows broke down. The impact left many roads untreated, like this one in Beachview, Los Angeles Avenue. Buried cars all over the place.
We're kind of buried in back here doing what we can to get through.
We met Derek Daly while he was digging out on Mackinac Avenue.
You know,
where are you putting the snow?
On the sidewalks, and we just had a discussion about it. The lady was talking to us and saying, you know, I think she was halfway joking, saying, you know, don't put that on my sidewalk, but we have no choice.
Mayor O'Connor says the state of emergency allows the city to bring in private contractors to remove snow, plow streets, and help haul snow out. Have you seen any plows through here?
We saw a couple plows on this street, but this street on Los Angeles, there hasn't been any plows except for last night.
The conditions too bad for this Kia SUV who stopped traffic. The driver turned around after he couldn't make it up the hill in Allentown. In Garfield, a KDKA viewer called after a foot of snow on his road was untouched. His wife told me, "We are senior citizens, the only house, but we pay taxes too. We can't even go to the store." This PRT bus on Shenley Avenue got stuck. We didn't see any riders on board. This woman shoveling for hours on Sullivan Street in the Bloomfield area. Has the road been touched?
No, not yet. No.
How is it impacting you and your neighbors?
Well, I guess we just shovel out as much as we can. So, you know, they can't get out here to do our roads, so we got to pitch in. Yeah, I mean, look at the yard.
Now, earlier I talked to a city spokesperson, and she told me that our crews are working around the clock, and we've mobilized contractors so we can be as effective as possible. This was the most snow we've seen in a 24-hour period in over 30 years. We know people are feeling frustrated being at home, but safety is our top priority. This is still about snow and digging out secondary streets. The city is planning ahead for the severely low temps coming. And another look live here in Morningside, Ken, you can see that it is still a big mess. We did just pass a plow just a short time ago, but as you can see, there's a lot of work that still needs to be done, and people say they want to see it sooner rather than later. Reporting live in the mobile weather lab, Jennifer Barrasso, KDKA-TV News.
Yep, I get it, Jen, thanks.